Yeah. See, this the shit I'm talking about right here, man. This is why you fuck with me, man. You feel me? That's why y'all fuck with me, bro. I'm bringing y'all good drip at the right time, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna hold you. I'm a little late on these. I could have had these shits like a year ago, probably. Nah, I ain't gonna say a year ago. Around that time, probably. But, I'm bullshitted, man. I ain't had the right feet, so I wanted for them, man. You feel me? But guess what? These shits are still hard right now, and motherfuckers trying to get them right now. And you know the drip shop, we done had these shits months ago, man. Months ago. So, yeah, let me give y'all niggas some details, man. Show y'all some authenticity. Make sure your shit is authentic. You know we big on authenticity. Check for them tags, my boy. Check for them tags. Check for it. This ain't an unboxing. That's a splash already. So I could tell you, you know what I mean, what I like about these shits. I was already in them. I like doing the unboxings, but I like when I wear this shit, I could tell you what's really heat and what's alright. Cause I done unbox shit I thought was heat till I tried it on. I'm like, nah, this ain't that, man. Fuck. Trying to get these pockets open. Hold on now. Show you how the pockets is running, you know what I mean? Just got a little detail inside the pockets. Alright, here we go. Damn, I might get a camera mount. Nah, not for no motherfucking 86 subscribers, man. I don't fucking know. Y'all niggas need to tap in with a nigga, man. Bringing y'all this good drip and all these details. But look at this shit right here, man. I've been fucking with Rick Owens lately, man. He been showing me a lot of details, you know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas know I'm a sucker for them details, bro. This shit right here. Zipper going down the middle. So you could drip different. When I wear these pants and these shoes, oh man, you already know. Pennies getting wet. Bitches love that fly shit. Look at that right there, a little bit of leather. Just hanging off the pocket. Just fly, nigga. Look at the back of these bitches, man. I like the cargo pockets on the back. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't go wrong in these, bro. You see any nigga fucking this fit up right now. Any nigga fucking these pants up. Like, he got no drip. Like, I just actually seen Travis Scott. He was wearing a pair of these shits at the motherfucking Down to 2 listening party. See if I'm cap or not. Go look for that picture, nigga. Go look for it. And if you find it, and he is wearing these pants right here, sub to the channel, nigga, because you know how your boy coming. We in a drip before the celebrities, nigga. You feel me? It's like I said, I had these shits months ago, man. Not to act like I'm fly to niggas or nothing, but come on, man. Proof is in the pudding, nigga. Proof is in the pudding, nigga. Nah, I'm coming, man. But shit, get you a pair of these, man. These shit's probably gonna set you back like a stack or something. You know what I mean? Probably catch you on the sale for like 900, 800 or some shit. But originally, these gonna set you back a stack, gang. You know what I mean? You want fly shit, you have to pay like you weigh, my boy. Pay like you weigh. Damn, hopefully by my next vid, I could speak the English language like y'all niggas used to me. You know what I mean? Kicking shit, popping shit, man. Mouth all twisted right now, bro. You feel me? But, yeah, so the pants by the rack, bro. You know what I mean? And, the seats, these shits was like, I think they, 1,200, because they leather in it, and they got the jumbo lacing, you feel me? So, yeah. But, yeah, man, it's a little quick one, man. It's a little drive-by. My mouth was killing me right now, man. I'm gonna label these vids my dedication vid, man. I want to move ahead. I just want to, you know what I mean, provide a little service, man. The real service is going to be, y'all niggas going to hit me like, yo, Jefe, what's up, man? I just bought this shirt. What you think I should buy with these? What feet you think I should get? Or I just got these sneakers. Let me know if you think this shirt is dope, or, you know what I mean? Little consultations, man. For real, you know what I mean? shoot me a little cash app. First couple ones gonna be for the love, man. You know what I'm saying? For the love, just for y'all niggas tapping in. But really, I want to do style consultations, man. Nothing too crazy, probably a little, shoot a nigga a little cash app, you know what I mean? Something light. And we started off a little $5 cash app donation to the channel. You pull up with any question you want, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, we're gonna do PayPal or Cash App, man. And ask a nigga any question you want, man, pertaining to this drip or business, you know what I mean? You know, niggas got LLCs out here and shit, you know what I'm saying? Real business owners. You know what I mean? I'm gonna bring more shit to the channel, man. I wanna grow this shit in the right way, you know what I mean? Just same way I started, just giving off some game, man. So it's game right here, man. Right here, you just go buy this whole fucking fit right here. And get you a calm shirt. You ain't even got to be crazy with the shirt, nigga. You could. You get a little rock and roll tee, you know what I'm saying? A little, matter of fact, I'm giving away too much right now. Y'all niggas subscribe, man. Subscribe, man. Like the vid. I'm gonna be back with another one, man. Or I'll probably be sounding a lot clearer in the next one. But y'all appreciate y'all niggas, man. One Stop Drip Shop. I'm boxing in the bando, but we on location right now. We back to the trap soon, man. And yeah, I appreciate y'all niggas, man. Y'all helping a nigga possibly create a whole new revenue stream, man, and just bringing niggas content, bringing niggas good vids. I don't know if the vid's good yet, but we definitely bringing y'all motherfuckers some content, man. This drip is content, nigga. But yeah, we up out of here, man. Play ahead to stay ahead, nigga. You hear me? Word. We out, man. Oh yeah, y'all niggas subscribe to this shit, man. Like my vids and shit, man. Yo, like my video, bro. What's up with you, man? Like the vid, bro. Nah, I'm fucking with y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas gonna do what y'all wanna do, man. You heard? Cause I'm gonna do what the fuck I wanna do. But if y'all do fuck with a nigga, that's just love, man. I just see niggas rocking with what I'm doing, man. Shit just motivate a nigga, you feel me? But I might even just stop saying that shit, bro. Like, comment, shit. That shit sound like I'm begging, my nigga. And I ain't really used to no handouts, man. I'm used to going and get it. That's why I'm up here posting more vids, doing, cause I'm trying to go get it, you feel me? But the real niggas that's on the same time, they gonna tap in with the energy. They gonna say, fuck that shit. I'm gonna support this real nigga, man. You know what I mean? So I'm just waiting on them niggas, man. Waiting on the real niggas to tap in. And whatever the real niggas do, the rest gonna follow, man. You know what I mean? Fake niggas gonna follow with real niggas. So just waiting on these real niggas to tap in. I got 86 real niggas strong right now. You know what I'm saying? That's like a lot of motherfuckers. This nigga's on here with millions. But watch me build, my nigga. And respect every nigga you see in that sub list, you feel me? Word. Hold it down, y'all, man. Get y'all money safely, man. Stay out the way. Word. We out.